Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Range Rover. First, always confirm your Range Rover is securely in park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step before engaging the ignition. Next, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. This action is required for the engine to start. Finally, if your model has a key slot, insert the smart key fully. This prepares the vehicle's system for ignition. Once the key is recognized and the brake is pressed, locate the engine start/stop button. It's typically found on the dashboard or center console. Give it a firm press to initiate the engine. If the engine doesn't immediately turn over, don't worry. Simply hold the start/stop button for about 2 to 3 seconds. This often resolves minor starting hesitations and gets you on your way quickly. Encountering issues? First, check your key fob battery. A weak battery can prevent the vehicle from recognizing the key. Next, ensure the steering wheel isn't locked. Gently jiggle it while trying to start if it feels stuck. Finally, confirm your main vehicle battery has enough charge. A low battery is a common culprit for starting failures, so consider a jump start if needed. Every Range Rover model might have slight variations in its starting procedure, so consult your owner's manual for specific details. Regular maintenance is key to avoiding unexpected starting problems. Ensure your battery and starter motor are routinely checked. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Keeping your vehicle and finances in top shape is always a smart move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.